Hi everyone, last lecture you see about general requirement for process of pharmacy. In that you see about location and surrounding, building, water supply, disposal of waste, container cleaning, store, raw material. In that various types of raw material of metallic origin, raw material of mineral origin, raw material for animal source, fresh herbs, dry herbs or plants, excipients, etc., volatile oil, perfume and flavor. Then you see about plant concentrated and exhausted and resin, then packaging materials, finished goods store, working space, health clothing sanitization and hygiene of workers, then medical services. You see about machinery and equipments, batch manufacturing records, distribution records, records of market complaint, quality control, then quality control section. In that section will have minimum qualification of a person with degree qualification in Ayurvedic Siddha Unani ASU as per Schedule 2nd of a Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970, 84 of a 1970 of a recognized university of a board. Then provide the Bachelor of Pharmacy, Pharmacognosy and Chemistry may be associated with the quality control section. Then next point today's the requirement for sterile products. What are the requirement for sterile product? Sterile in that the product of a injection, salines, the drops, eye drops, ear drops. What are the requirement for this in that manufacturing area? For the manufacturing of a Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani drugs that can be sterilized in their final container, the design of a area shall be preclude the possibility of the products intended for the sterilization being mixed with a or taken to be products already sterilized. In case of terminally sterilized products, the design of the area shall be preclude the possibility of a mix-up between the non-sterile and sterile product. Very important thing that the manufacturing area for the Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani drugs that can be sterilized in final container, the design of in area shall be preclude the possibility of the product intended for sterilization. Then next, what the precaution against the contamination and mix-up? First, carrying out the manufacturing operation in the separate block of a adequately isolated building or operating in a isolated enclosed within the building. Very important thing that are the carrying out the manufacturing operation in a separate block of a adequately isolated building or operating in a isolated enclosure within the building. The next, using appropriate pressure differential in process area. Then providing a suitable exhaust system. It is important that are the provision of the suitable exhaust system. Then designing laminar flow sterilized air system for sterile products. The germicidal efficiency of a UV lamps shall be checked and recorded, indicating the burning holes of the check using intensity. These are the precaution against the contamination and mix-up. Then individual container of a liquids and ophthalmic solution shall be examined against black-white background fitted with the diffuse light after filling to the ensure freedom from contamination with a virgin suspended matter. Expert technical staff approved by the licensing authority shall check and compare actual yield against the theoretical yield before final distribution of the batch. The next part 2 you see about part 1. Then next part 2, a list of machinery, equipment, minimum manufacturing premises required for the manufacture of a various category of a Ayurvedic Siddha system medicine. In that categorization of medicine, second column, minimum manufacturing pace required, machinery equipment recommended, minimum manufacturing pace required for the 1,200 square feet cover area with the separate cabin. A partition for each activity if Unani medicine are manufactured in same premises, and additional area of a 400 square feet will be required. First, a kurma, nasha, majans, lepa, fort chum, 200 square feet, a grinder, a disintegrator, pulverizer, powder mixture, sieve, stiffer. These are the machinery required for this. Then second, pills, voti, gutika, material in that 100 square feet, ball mill, mass mixture, powder mixture, pill, vati machine, sterilized steel tray, a container for storage, dryers, machine, chaptis for mixture, Google weather required. Then third, tablet, 100 square feet area required in that machinery, ball mill, mass mill, powder mixture, granule dyer, tablet compression machine, and sugar coating polishing fay in case of sugar coating tablet, machinery kettle for mixing of Google weather required. Then for kajal, in the kajal required 100 feet square area, a carton lamps for collection of a kajal, tipple roller mill, end runner, sieve, SS spatula, filling, packing, manufacturing room should be provided with the exhaust fan and ultraviolet lamps. Then fifth capsule, 100 square feet area, air conditioner, dehumidification, hygrometer, thermometer, capsule filling machine, and chemical balance. Then next ointment, martham, pasai, 100 square feet required the machine, tube filling machine, crimping medicine, ointment mixture, end runner, mill, weather required, SS Patila. Then Asava Arista, 100 square feet area required, 20 square feet required. Then each manufacturing unit will have to separate area for bhati, furnaces, boiler, putta, etc. This will have the proper ventilation removed by smoke. Prevention of the false insect dust will be a function section could have been proved. The next list of machinery equipment minimum manufacturing premises required for the manufacture of various category of Unani system of a medicine. In that categorization of medicine, then a minimum manufacturing space required, then machinery and equipment. First, herbs, pills, and tablet 100 square feet area required in the ball means mass mixture powder, mixture granulator dyer, tablet compression machine, pill water cutting machine, a stainless steel tray container for storage and sugar coating, polishing pan in case of a sugar coating tablet, machinery chato for mixing of Google weather required. Then sulfur powder, the 200 square feet area required in that a grinder, pulverizer, tray scoffers, powder mixture weather required. Then a rahughan, oil crushing and boiling 100 square feet area required. Oil expels SS Patila oil filter bottle filling machine, a bottle, a dried bhati, then marham, zima, ointment 100 square feet area required. chiral fatty end runner grinder pulverizer triple roller mill. Then a quartz tap 100 square feet area requires a grinder pulverizer sieve powder mixture whether needed, a granulator dryer tablet compression machine, die punches try, OT appropriate balance with wet scopes, a sugar coating pan, polishing pan and heater. Then capsule 100 square feet area, pulverized powder mixture whether needed, capsule filling machine, air conditioner, dehumidified balance with a weighted storage container and glass. Then Cotter E custom and Marham eye drop eye ointment 100 square feet area required, hot air oven electricity heated with the thermostatics a quartal keta. Each of manufacturing unit will have to separate area for the bhati, furnace, boiler, futta, etc. This will have the proper ventilation, remove of the smoke, prevention of a fires, insect, dust, etc. Then list of equipment recommended for the house a quality control section. Alternatively, unit can get the listing done from a government approved laboratory. In the chemical section, pharmacognosy system section. First, in chemical section, chemistry section, alcohol determination apparatus, the complete set, volatile oil determination apparatus, boiling point determination apparatus, melting point determination apparatus, refractometer, polarimeter, viscometer, tablet disintegration apparatus, moisture meter, muffler, furnace, electronic balance, magnetic stirrer, hot air oven, refrigerator, glass steel disinfection apparatus. In pharmacognosy section, microscope, binocular, dissecting microscope, microtome, physical balance, aluminum side tray, stray micrometer, camera lucida, prism and mirror type, chemical and glassware etc. So these are the requirement for the sterile product of a formulation. So it is for schedule T and today's lecture are over. Today you see about what are the general requirement for the sterile product. In that you see about manufacturing area, precaution against the contamination and mix, and also you see about the what are the requirement for the Unani and Ayurvedic Siddha system of medicine. In that you see about list of dose form, also square feet area and what are the machine are required for this you see in detail. So this is the schedule T and it is for today's lecture. You see the next lecture, the next schedule you see in next lecture. Thank you.